Hello everyone, I am Ankit from All India EV and we are with Mr. Alankrit from Enigma. Hello sir.
हेलो।
So sir, प्लीज़ बताइए कि आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं आप यहाँ पर और मार्केट में ऑलरेडी आपके कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल हैं।
ठीक है, तो जैसे आपने बोला ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल हैं, पहले अपन उस पर आते हैं। हम लोग 4 व्हीकल अभी तक नॉन आरटीओ में बेच रहे थे लो स्पीड अप्रूवल के साथ, विच वॉज GT450, क्रिंक, N8 एंड H1. H1 इज़ अ लोडर वेरिएंट विच इज़ नॉर्मली फॉर कमर्शियल यूजेस फॉर लाइक जो कमर्शियल पर्पज ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, इधर इट इज़ अमेजॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट और सम अदर वेंडर. Next, right now we have launched 4 RTO segment vehicles in scooter only. This scooter will have a top speed of 3 of them will have a top speed of 65 km per hour and one of them will have a top speed of 80 km per hour. Apart from that, last year we have launched Cafe Racer model, which is the first Cafe Racer bike of India. You can see right behind me. And this Cafe Racer model is being upgraded right now. We have displayed the prototype in this expo at present. This is a single seater prototype, and we will be upgrading. We will be giving the customer option of 2-seater and the single seater both. The good thing about our company is we are giving a cost-effective product with the quality for quite a while. And our main focus is the same, that we can like if you search out in the market. Normally the e-bikes that are available in electric segment starts from 1,80,000 or 1,90,000, and as you can see, this motor is completely made in India. So after FAME to subsidy, this vehicle will cost to a customer 1,20,000, which is quite cheaper. And the good thing about us, there are other companies who are giving in 180 or 190, their top speed is either 80 or 90 km per hour. We are giving 120 km per hour top speed with a mileage claim up to 140 km. So in the same manner, we are upgrading our vehicle constantly. We have at the beginning we launched only 3 models. Right now we have a complete 9 vehicles fleet, and probably 2 of the RTO vehicle will also get the FAME subsidies very soon. So they will be cheaper more afterwards.
So sir, how do you see the last 2 years of the EV industry of India, and how do you expecting the market to grow for the next 4 or 5 years?
Okay, let's see. It's last 2 years there was a corona hit. Even after that, we had a 3 times growth every year. In 2020-21 or is 2022, we had a financial growth of 3 times, and is improving day by day. Right now, the customers are more into the quality compared to the price. Earlier, it was a price war. That is why we didn't focus on many states in which the customer didn't understand the quality. Right now, every customer who are visiting us in this expo is asking us what type of quality you are using, what type of motor and controller are we providing in the vehicle. So in that manner, it is quite clear that the customer are having a quite clear view about the technology and what they are buying. Now they know what product quality means. So in that way, I think the future of EV is bright in India right now. And as the government is pushing EV a lot, so their target is to push up to 70 to 75% of the vehicle on road should be electric by the 2030. So it is only 8 years away. I think the growth will be better for us as well.
Thank you sir, thank you for your time and all the best for all the product and whatever you are doing in the EV industry. Thank you.